Good evening. We had our second snow day of the year this week. The day off from learning was not a day off for everyone. We'll mention more on this topic in our gratitude section. We also had some heartbreaking news this week. The high school lost a much beloved colleague. Abby Abbott was a distinguished Spanish teacher at the high school for over 20 years. She lost her valiant battle with cancer this week. Our thoughts go out to all of her students she taught and mentored over her 2 decades of service. Mostly our condolences go out to those with whom she was closest on the high school staff. We know these friends will miss her dearly.
We are excited to announce that we hired a home and school cultural liaison. Jennifer Knight joins us in the central office to help with our outreach and communication to all families. Jennifer brings a wealth of experience in early childhood education. We look forward to her contributions across the district to help us continuously improve. There's some new CDC guidance. The new CDC director made a statement that we believe is causing some confusion. She stated that schools are safe to open even if teachers and staff are not vaccinated. Our understanding is that she was referring to schools that have not provided any in-person opportunities this year. In other words, the opening that the CDC was supporting is the current situation in Burlington, opening with safety protocols in place. These protocols include mask wearing, distancing, hand washing, and sufficient air circulation. Even without this new guidance from the CDC, our teachers and our staff have all come into work unvaccinated to support students. Our focus currently is to honor their efforts by getting everyone vaccinated as soon as possible.
Okay, our Fauci moment. Please keep up the social distancing and enjoy the Super Bowl with family members only. We are working hard to keep our schools open. Any precautions taken in the community to lower positivity rates help us with this task. With vaccinations, as stated, we are strongly advocating that teachers be prioritized for vaccinations. The Board of Health and the school district are ready to collaborate on vaccine distribution. We only need the vaccines. And finally this week, our gratitude. Our gratitude this week goes out to our custodians and maintenance staff. While most of us stayed at home on Tuesday, our custodians were at work clearing school sidewalks and entrances. Burlington's DPW and Park and Rec crews were busy clearing our parking lots and the roads and sidewalks. The buildings look great on Wednesday due to their efforts. Thank you. Director of Operations Bob Cuna presented an assessment of ventilation systems report at the last school committee meeting. With the help of 2 community members, Ed Parsons and Mike Walters, Bob and the maintenance staff have been monitoring, repairing, and measuring CO2 levels across all of our schools. Airflow is a critical factor in keeping our classrooms safe for both staff and students. The report is available on our website. Thank you to Bob, Ed, Mike, and the rest of our maintenance crew for their efforts in this unseen but important part of our school operations. Thank you.